soaked in oil, and that's what they put in there to oil the bearings. Well, the guys, hobos, they liked that because they could jerk that out and start a fire real easy. So that's why you had to look up along that train, watch for hot boxes, no oil, fire, or load shift on a flat car. And that's why you got angled windows. You just sit here and ride down the road. The guy sits over there and he looks at the other side of the train as you go around a big curve. And that's the way that they controlled them in the early days.